This is the Dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The Dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The Dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the Dime.
We'll be looking at the HexStyli 6-in-1 stylus pen, and now as you can see it comes beautifully presented in a very nice gift box, making it an absolutely ideal present to give. The HexStyli is a very good looking and functional stylus pen, as you can see, with its silver metallic finish. The omnidirectional stylus tip on the top of the HexStyli enables you to draw and write with incredible accuracy and precision on all capacitive screens, which pretty much covers all of the range of tablets and smartphones on the market today. The HexStyli also features a printed ruler on the side there, which is perfect for little quick measurements around the house, as well as a spirit level built in. Now the spirit level is really good if you're putting up any picture frames around the house. You can just make sure they're level very quickly and easily without having to go hunting through your toolbox. As if that wasn't enough, the HexStyli also features a reversible head screwdriver. Simply twist at the top where the stylus is, which will reveal the Phillips and slotted head screwdriver. So all you want to do if you want to change it up is pull out and put back in. It really is as easy as that. So you do have a screwdriver for every occasion, all in one pen. This is a fantastic product with so many functions and is available now at Mobile Fun.